Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing your data and creating an index pipeline. First, define crawl scope and fetch a representative set of pages so you can iterate quickly. Next, extract text and metadata into a structured object store. Keep original raw blobs for reprocessing. Then, build an inverted index. Tokenize, normalize, and store term positions and frequencies. Once done, verify index integrity with sample queries and document lookups, because early validation saves hours when you scale. Next, focus on retrieval and ranking mechanics that produce relevant results. Start by wiring your search to return candidates via BM25 or vector similarity, then enrich signals with features like recency, CTR, and domain authority. Once signals exist, combine them with a simple linear model or train a pairwise ranker offline using logged interactions. Make sure to implement efficient candidate filtering and re-ranking so latency stays low. Measure latency and precision together as you tune weights and thresholds. Finally, connect the backend to a responsive UI and harden operations before launch. You should implement suggestions, highlighting, and concise snippets to help users decide quickly. Deploy with auto-scaling, monitoring, and index backups, and run chaos tests for failover. If relevance issues appear, inspect logs and replay problem queries to isolate tokenization, stop word, or feature bugs, then adjust the index or model and reevaluate. One key tip: when troubleshooting, reproduce a failing query end-to-end to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.